Greetings, welcome to the ingredient channel. Summer is here. Today we're making an appetizer, the pork ear terrine, which is great to enjoy with a bottle of icy cold beer in hot days. The jelly-like texture without commercial gelatin melts into delicious soup in the mouth and leaves the perfect chewiness and crisp from the wonderful combo of meat, skin, and cartilage. Dip into the secret hot and sour sauce. Every bite is delicious. Let's start. Clean the pork ears thoroughly and remove residual hairs. Put the ears in the slow cooker and add enough water to soak them in. Do not add too much water as it will require longer time to condense the soup later. Add star anise and dry bay leaves or other spices of your choice. Cooking wine. Slow cook for 8 to 10 hours until the ears are fully cooked such that it's effortless to poke a hole on it. Take out the spices and cut the ears into smaller pieces. Next step, we will condense the liquid. Pour the soup and the ears to a pot. On high heat, boil the mixture. Spoon out the foams that are floating on top from time to time. This takes about 15 minutes. Dip a cold spoon into the soup, then quickly lift out. If you see a thin, transparent layer of film formed on the back of the spoon, the mixture is thick enough for the terrine. Pour it out into a container to cool down. Then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Take it out, the jelly is formed. Remove the leftover fat on the surface. Separate into 1-inch wide rectangles. To slice it, shake the knife left and right while cutting. And make the slice about 1 centimeter thick. The left and right shake movement creates some wrinkles on the terrine, so it is easy to grasp and pick up when we eat it. Next, let's make the sauce. Chop and mince the garlic and scallion. Put into a small bowl. Add red chili powder, sesame seed, salt, and pour hot oil on top. Add light soy sauce, dark rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Mix well and serve. Time to enjoy. The terrine is crisp and chewy. The sauce is savory, sour, and spicy. Dip in. And take a bite. Simple yet utterly tasty. Very hard to stop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.